Hi, good afternoon. My name is Gabriela Sanchez. Today is Sunday, November 15th, 2020. I'm gonna go over the bacterial enumeration, dilutions, and plate counts results video. So I did the video where I was completing the plates. I do have to say I'm a little disappointed with the results. I'm not sure if they haven't incubated long enough. I don't know if perhaps there was some contamination with the environment, because my dishes don't look like, I don't think they're supposed to look the way they turned out. There are some, they're not really consistent with one another. Some of the slides show different types of growth on them. So I'm gonna go over, this is dish number 1. And as you can see, there are some raised areas, but it's very hard to see the colonies. I mean, I could see them, but they're not very noticeable as I would like them to be. But even so, this would be something that would be too numerous to count, because I do see lots of tiny little growths, and I don't know if the video could appreciate it, but they're still too numerous to count. Way too many. Now, on dish number 2, I'm thinking there may have been some cross-contamination, or I'm not sure why it looks so different from the first one. Maybe the location. I mean, they were all incubated in the same area, but I'm not sure why this would look different. But this is dish number 2. And if this is the way it's supposed to look, then it would still be too numerous to count, because you can't really identify the colonies. They're so clustered together. This would be number 3, dish number 3, and this would be something that would be more viable. It would be difficult, but it's totally between the 30 and 300 mark. So this is something that would be considered viable. Moving along to dish number 4, this would be too few to count. So if you could see, I don't know, I left it incubating for longer, but perhaps if I left it a few more hours, I would see more growth on here. But you could see there, it would be too few to count. As would this be number 5, dish number 5. You can hardly see any colonies in this dish. And oddly enough, this is dish number 6, and you could actually notice more on this one than in dish number 5. So this, it concludes my video. I hope I'm on the right path. I'm not sure. But I do, I understand how the importance of a viable plate, how important that is to determine, the colonies and whatnot. So I understand the importance. Obviously, dish 1, way too many to count. Dish 6, way too few to count. So that concludes my video for my results for the bacterial enumeration, dilutions, and plate count. Thanks.